Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And welcome to another video on SUI here. I know I said I would cover SUI every other day, but I wanted to do an update today because yesterday we actually had some strength coming in, which was interesting to see. And that's also what I wanted to talk about in this video, kind of talking about what the possibilities are here, all right? Have we actually turned slightly more bullish? Can we actually turn slightly more bullish here? Because I don't think we have turned bullish, and I think if you look at the situation here, I think most of you will agree with me on this, that this is still a downtrend on the lower time frames. At least on the higher time frames, this is still a bullish structure. But I wanted to talk about that, so let's get right into it. Now, first of all, I have not checked this out, but I wanted to check out the fundamentals first. I always like to do that, right? Because if you want to know what a coin is doing, you want to know kind of the activity around that. Excuse me, that's the clock in the background. But you want to know some of the activity, and the activity in the last couple of days has stalled quite a bit. Like if you look at the total value locked, I would almost say that the data they are gathering is no longer updated, because the total value locked is very, very flat right here. But also, if you look at the DEX trading volumes, look, it's still up since the last month, right? So that's what I'm telling you. On the higher time frames, like if you look at SUI through the daily time frame, this is still ridiculously bullish. But I'm especially with SUI, I like to cover the short terms more, and I want you to be updated on what the short term is doing. I think most of you are interested in that either way. And the short term is still bearish here. If you look at the momentum, for example, yes, we had some momentum coming in yesterday, and that was good, right? We actually had a decent bounce, but now you can see that the momentum is decreasing. The volume never really got back up to the same levels it was at when it was very bullish. The fundamentals are still down in the last week. So that's why, yes, I do think the move that we had is good, and it creates some sort of an opportunity to stop the downtrend. But for now, when we look at the situation, I do still think the downtrend is the most likely scenario. We like when we're looking at the chart right here, like $2, I think was one of the strongest resistance levels, and especially the level around that. I would say this level right here is the most important resistance, and we very beautifully so far rejected off of that. Right, so that's why I think it's most likely right here that we will drop back down to the previous lows, potentially even lower into that level right here between 1.8 and 1.75 cents, which we talked about yesterday. I think that's more likely than that we'll turn bullish here. Now, like I said, with this move, the possibility of getting into some sort of a range has increased. So I don't think this move is necessary. I slightly think it's more likely that we will just range and consolidate here with a potential spike down here, which is less bad than actually just grinding down there. But I don't expect a bullish breakout from here. To get a bullish breakout, like I said, we would need more sustained bullish momentum. We'd need some sort of a fundamental push. Not all of them, but some of them together would help. Volume is also dropping down again since the high we made earlier this morning. So I don't see it. It's obviously a possibility, all right? In crypto, in the end, anything can happen. But like I said, given the statistics we have right now and given the technical situation right now, I would say it's not most likely that we will break out and turn bullish. I think it's more likely that we will drop back down to at least the previous lows and potentially a bit lower and consolidate. And those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know regarding SUI right now. So if you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.